will be there for you through sickness and in health, times of joy and times of sorrow. Here is some more laughs, memories, love, and forever happiness. I give you my heart, my hand, my love from this day forward. I love you now and forever.
I just can't seem to come close. Been working so hard, I'm down to the bones. Still I lose sight every day of a new sunrise and another chance to change. Just trying to find my way. Love so alive, so away.
I, Kenneth Williams, just want to sit here and tell you that I love you from the bottom of my heart. Been there from everything, been through a lot. So I want to let you know that no matter what we go through, I'm always there. So I love you.
Bride and groom, as you stand facing, holding each other's hands, I ask that you acknowledge these hands that you hold are the hands that you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever.